Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you're not coming back and this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. This truck had rust right here, and it started right here where you see the lead at, and came all the way down to where you see the lead go to the bottom. So I took a grinder, grinded it out. Well, not really grinded, took a wire wheel and put it on it, and got it cleaned out, and filled it with lead. So a lot of people give me some flack about that, and it's not, it's not the best way to do it, but it is a way to do it that's not going to come back on you. That won't come back on you, especially if you go on the inside and you feel it. Not feel it, but you take your rust inhibitor and get inside of that door and just spray it down in here with a garden sprayer, and it'll drip out. But you coat the inside of the door from behind the panel, and you try to get all of it coated, and it makes for a pretty decent repair. But it's no different than when this is a factory seam. I had to replace this panel. I had a mishap. The door came open and hit this panel, but so I had to replace this panel. Anyway, that's the factory seam right here, and you can see where it was spot welded in, right, the old one. And so what the factory does is they'll take them and, well, they used to take them and fill them with lead. So you can see this right here. This is lead. It's soft, softer than the metal. And this is just a carbon steel welding rod that I was doing it with. So you can see where it actually, made impressions, indentions into the lead part. So this lead all the way up here, and it was all the way down here. So that whole part was leaded. And it's no different than filling factory gaps like they used to do from the factory. But all you'll do is you have to get off the rust. I took a wire wheel and got all the rust off, so you're left with bare metal. You have holes that the rust left behind, but that's all you're doing. And so you'll see this during this video. I'm going to throw the other video in with it, and you'll see that what I'm doing is really just wire brushing it off, and putting my tin flux on it and tinning it, and then putting lead in it. And so it's fairly easy to do, but you got to really know the technique. And you can watch my other video. It's a more lengthy video, and it describes it in detail, and I'll link you to it. But thanks for watching this video, and subscribe so you can see more videos like this.